a farmer vendor who took to social media and was propelled by the Jamaican people into a status thus like a king. And that me say thus in this, I don't know yes or no. Alright, so we're rolling. It's the 6th of August 2023. So-called Independence Day for Jamaica. My name is King Naya. I'm the king of the island here in Jamaica. I'm at Wikiwaki Beach. Yeah, the name of the title of the video. King Naya cancelling YouTube or something like that, it's it? Yeah, something like that. I'm sure that's one of the reasons why you click. And or I share it today in my WhatsApp, I share that video and the vlog here, I express myself in your WhatsApp, and if so, you're very special. You're someone who I communicate to directly and would have loved the whole of Jamaican people. Every Jamaican, about 10 million in the worldwide, we don't give it. 3 million on the island here, and you have 7 million Jamaicans scattered all across. I'm the king of us all. I would like you all to know. Now this whole YouTube journey started with me maybe a year and a half ago. And by the way, if you're not directly with the WhatsApp communication, 573-5939, 876-573-5939. I'm a WhatsApp number anywhere in the world where you're there. You can communicate directly with me if you're a Jamaican born citizen or a Jamaican resident or a Jamaican naturalized citizen. If you're a Jamaican thing, you're my people. This YouTube journey started about a year and a half ago. I started my YouTube journey. 10 years ago I started the journey as a farmer, vendor. To who don't know me. And fast forward, the Gleaner print earlier this year. Farmer wins Jamaica's most prestigious storytelling competition. If you don't know that, Google my name, Gary Stevenson, Gleaner article. You will see that. That's not me bragging and showing off. This is me chronicalizing, video logging my journey. I don't know if the wind too bad, I don't know if the lighting at the best. It's kind of overcast here on the beach. The Wikiwaki, it's kind of overcast. So I don't know if the lighting proper, but we are doing thing. When the Queen, no, before the Queen, before the 2021, late 2021, I just start the thing about the 2023, you know. Late 2022, yep, late 2022. The Barbados announced that them run with the Queen out of them thing. And that Mia Motley was the Prime Minister of Barbados at the time. And it burned me when I said Jamaica is a leader in the Caribbean. Yeah, Jamaica is a leader among Caribbean type people. Because we lead the way. Nelson Mandela for free. All of them little things there from way in slavery day time. I must only Haiti alone will rebel against France and run them things. You see what I go on with Haiti. But what I say is that me and Motley liberate the Barbadian people from the colonial mindset. Or she did. A new president them have now, I don't remember who was a female. And it burned me and I take my phone and record myself and say, basically, me that say, I hope the Queen of England dies soon. At that time, Queen Elizabeth was still alive. I was saying that in a slick little way because you know you can't legally just start that so, right? Me I hope the lighting good, right? See light sweet right up there, so. Yeah, me I say, legally we could not say, kill the Queen. I practically that my title is something where we just want the Queen Elizabeth out of the thing. We never sure why exactly. Fast forward. I crown myself king, never splicing that. It is Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, the 21st day of September 2022. It's Nine Nation, Mr. Jamaica TV, here in my mother's kitchen cooking some food. Big up the Queen Mother, Mama Valley, there in the background. And I am here to proclaim myself, Naya Uhuru Nation, as king of this island state of Jamaica. Yeah, I crown myself king of the island of of Jamaica. But a kind of joke thing and a kind of, you know the thing, a kind of joke thing, but here what me have to come and do. A kind of serious thing too. Yeah, because what you may realize, say, under the colonial mindset, a lot of us who are Africans don't even know that we are African. The same thing. Yeah, under the colonial mindset, the whole the diabetes food, the high blood pressure, the stroke, the death, DEBT, I say that one as well. Yeah, that and the death of the whole of sickness and the whole of bills over one, the slavery, the work till you're dead, the work till you work, 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 till you never know where you're going, where you're coming from. The mashing up of the family, the mashing up of the family, the fact say the family, black people style. It now no father. Everybody a blame father for this and father for that, and it have a mother who is father and mother in a one, which is good and bad because you don't want a mother who is father, you want a father who is father and a mother who is mother. Black people never have the basics. That are our thing. That are Jamaican people don't even have the basics in terms of the only thing we have is a system under the throne of England. And I know that me really a deal with, you know. When me really a deal with the fact say, yeah, a realness for Jamaican people, and that me I say when me I say King of Jamaica, it's not just a joke thing. I would like to help to lead our people to the real mindset. The mindset where Andrew Holness and him, and this is not politics, labor right or PAP, you know. This is politics business of Jamaican people. The mindset where first of all Barbados free up the Queen thing, colonial thing, run away before we, and now we are a bigger country, we are supposed to more develop, supposed to more advance. We're winning on a competition. But we are leaders here in Jamaica. And if Holness have a follow, and name a follow fast. Because them a farm committee say them a go run with Queen, King. Them a farm a committee, wait name the Constitutional Reform Committee. It's just a bunch of lawyers who are milking taxpayers' money to drive around and saying they're doing town halls so they can milk more of taxpayers' money. To how long we don't know them claim say the law are entrenched, say the king are our thing. So, and I did some king man entrench it at the time. The law is entrenched, meaning say it can't just dash you and change, so you have to go through a whole bunch of shit. Me don't know yes or no with Barbados, but see for them thing there. Me don't know yes or no them do it fast, but see for them thing there. Where our thing there? And that's my question as the king, and I have the answer. It's right here. It's right here, Jamaican people. The answer is here in us, in we. Yeah, and me come to lead the way and take the charge in them things. So no! Me nah quit YouTube. No, me nah go delete my YouTube channel because you know why? This is a platform for the storytelling, like how we win the storytelling competition. This story that we're telling, let me tell the Jamaican people, is the story of a farmer vendor who took to social media and was propelled by the Jamaican people into a status just like a king. And me if I say thus in this, I don't know yes I know. Yeah. The Jamaican people propel a farmer vendor, Gary Stevens, aka Naya, aka King Naya, to the level where when me go to England to whether Charles or one of them boy them have to bow down to we. Sound mad? Yeah. Me is a madman. And whole people know that. Yeah? And here the pretty part about that. Every Jamaican mad too. Yeah, we don't know if the world, sure the world know Usain Bolt and so on, Bob Marley. Just mad people will take the thing to another level bigger than where we is. Yeah, Bolt no fear run like American people. America one big old place with a whole of people and Bolt train right there on the island and run the whole of it. Multiple times and broke record too. Mad people do that. Jamaican people are mad people and see madman will lead them here too. Madman will lead them to the level where we stand up and we say, Charles, bow down, and him have to bow down to we. We're not benefiting anything from saying we're under colonial rule. We do not benefit, guys. We are only working for and living for the throne of England. Let us live for ourselves now. That is the purpose I'm here, and we're not quitting on YouTube. The journey just start. 573-5939. Connect me in a WhatsApp and make we talk direct and build this kingdom. Blessings.